crazy, who you praying for? They told me there is nothing.
Assalamu alaikum guys, and in this video we will learn about how to check disk usage in Linux. When I'm in disk usage, I'm referring to your secondary memory, your hard disk. So if you want to view the information related to your hard disk, how would you do it in Linux? So this is how you would do it. You will use a command df for viewing your disk usage information. So you would type df and hit enter, and that will give you a lot of other information. So my system is, the most of the disk is mounted on SDA4, so is somewhere around like 70% has been used, and so you can use this command to check many other information. So for example, if you want to view the same information in human readable format, use df-h, and that will give you, my friend, the entire information. So my SDA4, which has like total size of about 448 GB, out of which my 72 GB is used and 354 GB is available, so that rounds up to my 70%. Okay, so you can use this command df-s to view your disk usage. So yeah, if you want more information, you can do man df to read about all other usage, and so this might help until next time. Assalamu alaikum.
Looking for. Stop doing what you're doing, cause there is no hope. Just come with me, I'll show you what's behind your door. And they showed me all kind of lies. My eyes were like, yes, I was.